In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Sweatcoin. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Sweatcoin app on your device. So here we are on the Sweatcoin app. Now you want to make sure you've got quite a good balance in order to do this. So you can check your balance in the top right hand corner, or you can come down and press onto this little wallet icon to come across to your balance page. As you can see for myself, I've got 59 Sweatcoins currently. And what you're going to want to do from here is actually go to the shop. So you can do that from here. You can see the icon here to go to the shop, or alternatively come down to the bar at the bottom and press onto the shop icon. Now from here, what you're going to want to do, the best thing to go for is digital offers. So sometimes under digital offers, you do get things like, for example, Amazon gift cards, which of course you can use, and you've got like these ones down here, so gift cards of your choice. And you can use these and basically purchase a gift card, and you can either use that to purchase on Amazon or something like that, or what you can do alternatively is sell that on for cash. Another thing you can do is look for physical products. So sometimes you've got things on here like, for example, headphones or gym wear or offer boxes, subscription boxes and things like that. And again, what you can do is use your Sweatcoins to purchase any of these physical products. And if they're quite a popular product, again, you can go ahead and list that on eBay or sell it to friends and family to, again, make money that way. So that's how you can go ahead and withdraw money from Sweatcoin, or alternatively use your Sweatcoin to make money. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.